In this video, I will show you how to fix payment method declined Uber Eats. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over first to our account and then let's go to our wallet. Now for this one, you can go to your payment methods and you can see in here all the payment methods that it actually supports. So what you can do is to make sure that your payment method has sufficient funds for your order. For example, for this case, I have in here something on my cart. So onto my Taco Bell cart, I have something totaling of $16.94. So if I want to actually check it out, what I can do is I can need to make sure that I have at least $17 to my payment method. So let's click on this go to checkout and then click on this add payment method and then just bind in here any payment method that has sufficient balance. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helps you out.